First, check all the accessories. Install in the order of training wheels, handlebar, front wheel, seat, pedals, and all other accessories. Okay, let's get started. Remove the plastic protector. Please check the plastic protector, the nut may be stuck inside. Notice the sticker on the training wheels. L is left, and R is right. Remove the nut and nut washer. Then install the training wheel. Put in the nut washer, and tighten the nut. Repeat this process on the other side. To install the kickstand, put the square washer in first. Put the kickstand in. Then the nut washer. Finally, the nut. Tighten the nut. Remove the cover on the stem. Insert the stem into the head tube. Make sure that the safety line is covered by the head tube. Adjust the handlebar angle, and tighten the stem with an Allen wrench. Remove the front fork protector. Remove the nuts and hooks from the front wheel. Loose the nut a little bit, so that the caliper brake can release. Release the caliper brake from the limit post, then assemble the front wheel to the front fork. Use the hook to secure the wheel in place. Tighten the nuts, and repeat this process on the other side. Reposition the brake pads parallel to the rim. Tighten the nuts and repeat this process on the other side. Then we adjust the caliper brake. Put the caliper brake back between the limit posts. Squeeze the brake with one hand. Leave about half a centimeter distance on both sides. Pull down the brake cable with another hand. Secure the brake cable in place and then tighten the nut. Repeat this process if the adjustment is not ideal. Adjust the brake lever to the recommended 45 degrees downward, or any degree you feel comfortable with. Tighten the brake lever with the Allen key after adjusting to the desired angle. Test the brake's performance. If it is not working appropriately, try to readjust the brake cable and brake pad again. Insert the seat post into the seat tube. Make sure the safety line is covered by the seat tube. Adjust the seat to the desired height, then tighten the screw. Insert the seat post into the seat tube. Make sure the safety line is covered by the seat tube. Tighten the clamp screw. Adjust the seat to the desired height, then close the quick release lever. If the seat sways, release the lever and tighten the screw again until the seat is firmly secured. Please note that L stands for the left side, and R stands for the right side. Don't mix sides. The left pedal should be tightened clockwise. The right pedal should be tightened counterclockwise. Install the bell and tighten the screw. Install the front reflector and tighten the screw. Install the rear reflector and tighten the screw. Check and test the bike after the assembly process. Check the brakes to ensure that the brakes work properly and can stop quickly. Check tire pressure. Inflate the tires if necessary. That's the whole process of the assembly. Enjoy your ride!